Ever wish there was like an extra brain you could just, bounce ideas off of? Or like imagine having a marketing expert on speed dial, maybe even a designer. Just ready whenever you need them.
Well, that kind of, I guess you could say, ultimate assistant, it's getting closer than you think. And that's exactly what we're diving into today, Microsoft Copilot.
And we're talking a tool that wants to be your go-to AI for, well, pretty much anything you can think of.
It really does seem that way.
So to see what it's all about, we've been looking at a walkthrough of Copilot in action. And I gotta say, it's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
But let's start with something I think a lot of people can relate to. Building customer loyalty.
Okay, so imagine this. You got this great little bakery.
Love it.
Smells amazing, right? And you want those customers coming back for more again and again. Well, you can actually ask Copilot for strategies to make that happen.
And this is where it gets interesting because it's not just pulling from like some internal database. It's actually going out and searching the web in real time, finding friends, best practices, all to give you personalized suggestions.
It is.
So it's not just throwing out vague ideas either.
No, not at all.
In the walkthrough, they ask for a detailed social media marketing plan to boost loyalty, and Copilot actually delivered like concrete steps to take. It was almost like having a marketing consultant right there with you.
It's like, boom, here's your plan.
Yeah.
But what's really cool is that it's interactive. You can have this back and forth asking follow-up questions, really digging into those strategies to get exactly what you need, which makes you wonder, how does that kind of adaptable intelligence, translate to something more creative?
And that is where Copilot's different modes come in. So picture this. You're a writer working on a time travel story, and you know how those can get right. Paradoxes everywhere.
Oh, yeah. It's a mess. It's a whole big mess.
Exactly. But in the demo, they ask Copilot to brainstorm potential consequences of messing with the past. And what I thought was really neat was how it could actually think through those complex cause and effect scenarios and come up with some pretty interesting possibilities, things you might not have even thought of on your own.
That's super helpful.
Right. And it's not just about spitting out ideas. You can actually tell Copilot, hey, make these suggestions a little more whimsical, or give me something serious, depending on the vibe you're going for. It's pretty slick. But what about when you want to actually visualize something?
That's where the integration with other tools gets really exciting. Let's say you need a logo for your bakery, right?
Oh, yeah.
You can just tell Copilot to create some options for you.
And it doesn't just give you one either.
Nope.
You get multiple designs. It's like, boom, 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 pick one.
Exactly. It gives you this fantastic starting point. Or, hey, maybe one of them's perfect right out of the gate. And then, get this, because it's hooked up with Microsoft Designer, you can take those logos and tweak them. Colors, fonts, the whole shebang.
That is cool.
You have total creative control.
So it's marketing, brainstorming plots, even visual stuff. It's like this Swiss Army knife of AI.
It is. But hold on, there's more.
There's more.
There's an even more powerful version, Copilot Pro.
Ooh, get out.
Yeah. This one has enhanced features built right into your everyday Microsoft app. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. And because it's running on GPT-4, you're talking even more sophisticated help, deeper integration with how you already work.
So let's recap here for everyone. Microsoft Copilot wants to be that AI that can handle anything, from crafting a whole business strategy to coming up with creative ideas, and even moving up designs for you.
Yeah, and Copilot Pro just kicks it all up a notch by putting those enhanced capabilities right into the Microsoft tools you probably use every day.
So for you, listening right now, imagine how this kind of AI integration could change how you work, how you get things done.
Totally. And maybe even open up creative possibilities you hadn't even thought of. I mean, it's pretty mind-blowing to think about.
For sure. So I want you to ask yourself, what tasks could you do more efficiently? What ideas could you explore with an AI like this by your side?
It really makes you think, as AI becomes more a part of everything we do, how will we use it to do more, be more creative in ways we never imagined?
Such a great point. Well, if this deep dive into Microsoft Copilot has piqued your curiosity, make sure you like and subscribe to AITLDR. Want to know more? See the link in the description.